I swear to you, I'll be there for you. But this is not a job.
Good morning or good night. Today is the 2nd of December 2025, and today I took one losing trade that was kind of brutal. You'll see why. I wouldn't say it was a losing trade. I was just stupid, but we'll get to that in a second. So, starting of today, overall, it looks like we want to be bullish. The higher time frames already start flipping. It looks like we're on the buy side of the curve. So I came in expecting, here's the market open here. We're here. So I came into the market open. Who? Where did I just teleport me from? What? Oh, it gave me the one. Yeah. So I came expecting us to manipulate on market open. Yeah, this is 8 a.m. I expect us to go down to those 1 hour gaps to sweep this 1 hour low and to make a buy to this high. That was my original idea, but as you saw on the market open, when we did eventually open, we just fully pushed up. So my idea was fully not invalidated, but I just didn't have an entry. And the next thing I thought about is this 4 hour gap overlapping with 1 hour gap. As you can see here, the 1 hour gap is cleaner, so let me mark this out. Overlapping with this 1 hour gap to take a quick sell, targeting something like this 15-minute. So this replay system is so bad. They should make a better one. So yeah, so we tapped this 1 hour and 4 hour here, and additionally, you hear me talk about it a lot, but we had 10 a.m. open here. So the 10 a.m. open here. So we had the 10 a.m. open with no bottom wick, and the 4 hours, basically all of them got a wick. So it's heavily short-term bearish. Here's the 15-minute gap. Let me mark it as well. Here's the gap. So bang, bang. So this was the trade. Take something here to sell. This is a confluence and TP the 15-minute, because if we want to be bullish, we should still realistically go down, make the wick, tap the 15-minute and go up. So I was trying to look for a trade, and the first thing I saw was those two overlapping fair value gaps, and it was a 2-minute one as well, as you can see, but they didn't inverse, and we made a higher low. So I abandoned that idea because the R would be like below 1 at this point. Plus I can have a better entry. So when we got that 1-minute high, it was actually a clean SMT with ES, because ES pushed up. ES almost took this high. It didn't take it, but it went like this. So we had internal SMT with everything, and this was a clean CSID. Sorry for this being orange. I can change it to normal. So we had this clean CSID, we had this clean break even. So I took this sell, stop loss at the protected high, targeting this 15-minute. It's a 2.5 RR. It inversed next candle, I'm pretty, yeah. It tapped me in here, and then it just stop lossed me. But as you can see, it started dumping. As you can see, it hit TP after. And you may think, damn, what an unlucky stop hunt, right? And that's what I thought as well. I was super pissed. As you can see, it was less than 3 points, and it dumped. Yet my bias was correct again. Buy got stopped, so I'm down on the day, and it's kind of frustrating. But at the same time, I went to my journal, and I want to show you guys something. Today is the 2nd of December. 28th, you have it blurred right now because I will show you in a sec. But yeah, it's here. 20. There you go. You can see 28th of August, so almost 3 months ago, 2.5 months ago. Look at the straight. Like, do you see what I'm saying? Push up, there was a higher time frame gap here, reject, went up, make it 1 minute high here. I took this on this CSID. It's an order, but you know what I mean. And then I got stop hunted and went down. It's perfectly the same trade. Look at this. I'm not even joking. Let me delete all the. Look at this. It's basically the same. So because of the power of the journal, now I know every time I take a trade like this stop has to be the high. Even though this was protected because we had SMT, it still has to be at the high. The RR was lower, but it was still 1.7. That's still good RR. So yeah, we live, we learn. I don't mind this loss because that was a great setup. As you can see, the bias was correct. I just needed to, lose today so I can win next time. Because now I know every time I take a trade like this, it has to be at the high. Because it happened 2 times. And I don't know if you remember what I said, but if we want to be truly bullish, that was one of my ideas as well. We tap this 15-minute, and then we're going to go up. And what will you see? We did exactly that. And I think that's pretty fucking cool. Oh, I don't even. Oh, we're back at it. But yeah, whatever. But it's pretty fucking cool that I predicted basically everything today. I predicted that we're gonna react bullish off of this. So if someone took a buy here, he probably targeted this, so he got TP'd. I predicted this down move. It's just super unlucky for me that I didn't put it at the high. But yeah, nothing we can do. And yeah. Play the. Oh yeah, additionally I probably showed my PNL already, and it was split into two pictures because if you watched my previous video, you know I have two evils with Lucid right now and one funded with my funded features. That's why. But yeah, the execution is going to be always from my tablet like I used to do. It's with the my funded feature account. So yeah, there you go. That's the execution. Bye bye.